If you are looking for how to change region in Supercell, then you are at right place. So you have to click here on this icon, and here you will see the region. So you can change any country or region you want. Okay, so I'm going with Pakistan as I am from Pakistan. Okay, so you can see a lot of countries here and select the one you want. Okay, you can also add your age here. You can change your gender. Okay, you can also turn off your music here. So there are a lot of stuff here. You can also do other stuff as well. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.